In this Python Turtle graphics tutorial, we will learn how to use the begin fill and end fill functions. To support us, you can subscribe to the YouTube channel and like the video. I created a window with Turtle. Let's use the functions we learned in previous lessons again. I can change the pen and turtle color using the color function. The first color I send to the function represents the pen color, the second represents the turtle color. I can change the size of the line with the pensize function. I can change the size of the turtle object with the turtlesize function. I pause the program for 1 second. I draw a circle with a radius of 150 units. Now let's learn how to use the begin and end fill functions. Using these functions, you can fill the inside of a drawn object with a color. The color to be filled is the second color sent to the color function. You can test this by changing the second color sent to the color function. You can check whether the turtle object is filling or not by using the filling function. Filling function is a function that returns true or false. If filling is done, I set the turtle size to 1. I print the filling value to the console with print. If filling is not done, I set the turtle size to 10. In this video, we learned how to use the begin fill and end fill functions. To support us, you can subscribe to the YouTube channel and like the video.